to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Natalie, and for those who are not, welcome. I almost said myself. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here, using the Morphe 35B palette. But before we go ahead and get started with the video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave, and follow me on all my social media. Like always, I will leave everything on the screen. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go in with is this sort of lilac color, this really light purple shade, and I'm going to take it on my NG 323B Bella brush, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And you guys, I'm sick, so I'm over here dying, but I'm trying to get this done for you. I'm going to pull through, I promise. Watch me just pass out right now. Anyways, so this next color I'm going to go in with is a bright purple, and I'm going to take that on my Sonia Kashuk brush. It honestly looks like a small stippling brush, and I'm going to use that just to deepen it up even further. I am keeping it more towards the outside of my eye and the inner corner, just because I'm creating like a halo effect, or a halo eye. I don't know. I am taking my NG 323B Bella brush, and I'm just going back in to fade out even further, or to blend it out even further. But the next color I'm going to go in with is this dark purple, and just to deepen up the crease even more. So to cut out my crease, I'm going to use my NARS concealer, and here I am showing you guys, thinking that it was upside down, so I flip it over and it was in the right direction. I'm stupid. Ugh. Anyways, so I just put it in the back of my hand, and I take my concealer brush, and I have to scoot up my mirror because I can't see, and I have to be like super close. Watch. See? Anyways, I go ahead and do like a little dot on the top of my eye. If I'm doing a halo, I start at the very center, and I open up my eye to see how high up I have to go, and then I just go ahead and draw a line straight down, and then go ahead and finish the sides of the crease. I find that's the easiest. I do take it pretty far out to the sides, but that's just because I want the product or the eyeshadow to stick on there, just so it's a little bit more pigmented, and that I feel like that helps. So I go ahead and take like a clean brush, and I just go ahead and pat out the sides just so it's like faded out, and you'll see as I like why later on, but it just helps me make it just a little bit darker. You'll see, just keep watching. So for my center color, I'm going to take this bright blue color and this small little tiny packing brush, and I'm going to pack it on there, but I am not taking it all the way to the top. I'm going to leave like this little space, and you'll see right now when I show you like where I'm talking about. Like, just, do you see? Yeah, see? Like, I'm showing you right there. Just leave that part blank as right now. Like, don't touch it. And the concealer that we just blended out, it still was a little bit tacky, so I went ahead and applied that second color that we went, that bright purple color, and that's just gonna help it stick onto my eye, just so it's a little bit more pigmented. And I don't know, it's just kind of a good trick. It's kind of like a base, you can say. And then I take that darker color, the last color that we took, and I'm just deepening it up the corners. So next we're going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to outline the little top part that we had left blank. This is also creating sort of like a base for our next color, which is going to be that white color in the palette. I'm going to show you right now, maybe not, oh, right now, that white color. And when I used the concealer before, it didn't show up as bright white, so the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil just adds, or just works as a base for it to show up as its true color. And then I'm just going to go in with that blue color again, and just to blend it out a little bit further. So next, to deepen out the corners even more, I'm going to take this gel liner, and this is by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to take this like small little brush, and I'm just going to add it just to the corners. And you'll see in a little bit that I start to smoke it out a little bit. Where? Hello? Hello? Okay, yeah. So see, I'm just going to take a smudge brush and I'm just smudging away. To sort of set that eyeliner, I'm going to take the black shade in the palette and I'm going to just kind of pat it on top of it. I'm not going to blend it out because I do go in with that darkest purple color that we went in with and just help it smoke it out a little bit more. The lashes I'm using again are from Dash Lash, and they're in the style Naomi. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through my foundation. It's the same thing as my last video, so you can go ahead and watch that. But to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with that first color that we went in with and going to apply that to my lower lash. And then I'm going to go in with the last purple color, the darkest purple color, and I'm going to smoke it out even further. I do go ahead and use that Milk NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and apply it to my inner corners just to create a base, but I go ahead and apply my highlighter on top of that after. Later on in the video, you'll see. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes and add mascara, and yeah. I had to include my highlighter, but this is Ofra's Rodeo Drive. Like, look at it. I use it every single day. I'm gonna be so sad when it's gone. I'm gonna cry. Ooh, look it. Ooh, Gloade. Just okay, bye. Okay, I know that you can't see me lining my lips, but I used MAC's lip liner and the shade Cork. You can't even see me because I'm the mirror, the dumb mirror. My gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with Anastasia's liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. Ooh, you naked. Just kidding. I do take a little brush and fade out the liquid lipstick with the lip liner. It helps it blend out. I don't know. I do this for some odd reason. I don't know. I like how it looks. And I'm just going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu. And yeah, you guys, I'm going to go take some medicine.
I made 100,000, then I freaked it. I made 500,000, then I freaked it. I bought an 87 for the weekend. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, this ain't.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe before you guys leave. And follow me on all my social media. I will go ahead and leave everything somewhere easy to find. And yeah, I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Leave a comment. Ay, my head shape is so weird. ¿Qué es esto? Ay, no.